Welcome back to him and I. Today we are going to add some LED strip lighting to the skateboard rack cap. Kit, bought extra hardware and stuff like that so I can cut these strips and put them where I want to for well. There's a cut line right there, so that will work perfect. I think all we really need is scissors. Alright, so this is probably the most nerve-wracking part of this is gonna be to cut this. They give you a nice little line to cut. Here I am just cutting back the copper so I can see the ends and then hook them up onto the little piece that they give me. Right there, you see it? It slides right in, easy as that. Alright, so I cut the LED lights to size, and now I want to mount them underneath here, but instead of mounting them just directly underneath there, I am going to make a slot with my router, and it has two on there, but I'm just going to use set it up for one, and I'm going to cut a groove in these things so I can inset the LED lights, and that will glow down and it will make it look pretty cool, and you won't be able to notice it unless it's turned on. Alright, so now I got a nice little channel in here that I can stick that thing, and hopefully the reflection will come up enough, and I think it will. So we'll see what it looks like once we're done. Alright, what I'm going to do now is drill in to right here with a little hole and a little hole right here, and that's where the wires are going to come through for the this is the end that's going to connect to the other end of that. Like so. And we'll do the other side, and that's the side that will have that. So you've seen that, I got that one done there. So now we just got to hook these LEDs up, and I'm going to wipe them off because they got a little bit of stuff on them.
Plastic a little bit. You just slide this thing right under, and it's gotta be, the blue is on the bottom, so that's what we got. Stick it in there. Boom. Wait, you can't see this one. Grab that screwdriver and just put it in there, and use that to push it back in.
All right. Here I am adding the heat shrink tubes to the wires before I splice them together. But what we'll do is we'll turn off the lights and we'll see if this thing works. Boom. Ha ha ha. Jump around. Slow. All right, so now that we got the connections, I haven't done the heat shrink yet on them, but we've tested them and we know it works. And I put a big piece of heat gun strip, and then I got the little ones on the individual wires. So what we'll do is just pick that up.
I'm gonna slide this thing over the top of those.
I just got the stapler here.